Hello, this is Ronald Westbrook. I'm about to show you an example of what two of my Westbrook hydrogen coil generators sitting side by side in a gallon jug of water will do when I connect them to power. Sometimes when I'm sitting here at the house, I just kind of like to watch them explode with hydrogen when I touch the juice to them. Did you see that? Let me let the water cool back down here. That's two of them sitting side by side. Now watch again. They literally explode with the creation of hydrogen when I touch this 12-volt battery to two of them. This is what they look like from the top. Pretty soon you can't see it anymore because the hydrogen is just so massive that it's making in the water, it completely blankets out the ability to see. Now let's look at it from the bottom here. Looking up, top of the jug. These movies aren't the best because I'm sitting here playing an orchestra of different things. I've got the hot wire in my right hand and the camera in my left, and if I'm trying to do a flow test, I'm trying to handle that too. Isn't that impressive? I like to just hook it up to watch it every once in a while. I thought maybe the people who are watching this, the outcome on this generator, would like to see what it looks like when I've got two of them sitting side by side. How two of them react when I touch juice to them. When I touch it with this, when I hook the 12 volts to it, it actually causes a mushroom effect. That's why I call it an explosion of hydrogen. It actually causes a mushroom effect. The hydrogen explodes out of the coils and goes up in a narrow stream to the top, and when it hits the surface of the water, it mushrooms back around itself and back toward the coils. It's pretty neat to watch. I like that. Anyway, I know that there are people who are watching this closely, and I thought I'd give them a little bit of a demonstration. And all I'm doing is touching this wire to this wire right here. Can you see it there? I'm touching this wire to that wire, and it's causing, I've got them all connected, and I touch that one wire to them, and it gives you a good 12 volts and however many amps are being kicked out of this 12 volt car battery. But one of these is impressive enough. When you stick two of them together side by side, that's really impressive. I think. Of course, I may be biased and prejudiced because it's my design. But anyway, let me do that again. I didn't have it aimed right that time. But anyway, y'all can see Let's look into the top of it here. Let's see what it looks like when I'm looking at the top. This camera around this wire. These are the coils that I use to make that 1 liter of hydrogen in 18 seconds. These are the little joules that I use for that. Anyway, that's the Westbrook hydrogen coil demonstration using 2 of these in a gallon jug of water, tap water, and baking soda. This would work just as well using seawater, because the seawater has the electrolytes in it already, which is the salt. So when I first started experimenting on hydrogen, I did use salt. It's just that it causes such a froth and causes the water to get so dirty, because the sodium metal that's in the crystals of salt reacts to the electrolysis pretty badly. But if that's what you was using to power whatever on the water, seawater, you'd have to figure out a way to filter that out. Okay, I guess I've done enough showing off here. But as far as I know, I'm the one that's got the coil out here. I've got the project that's making the most hydrogen right now. I'm making 1 liter in 18 seconds. I don't know if anybody can top that or not. Anyway, I'm going to see you later. This is Ron Westbrook, and I'll talk to y'all later on.